I've got this bare spot right here. What happened was the sprinklers were not running or not adjusted correctly, and so the grass here died out. And so what I did in the meantime was just put some compost mulch in here to fill it in nice, and it kept the weeds out pretty good, but the grass hasn't really been filling back in. And so what I want to do today is show you how to fill in these bare spots in your yard with grass seed. This is the grass seed I'm going to use. I just picked it up at Home Depot. It's just a Scott's brand grass seed. It's Kentucky bluegrass. There's nothing else in it. It says all Kentucky bluegrass there, Washington and Oregon, and looks pretty good. What I like about this seed here is they coat it. It costs a little more, but when you buy small bags like this, it doesn't matter. They coat it. And so you can see it's coated in this blue material here, and it actually helps the seeds retain moisture and do better against the elements, at least the sun and the heat. So we'll put this down in the bare spot and we'll cover it with some compost mulch and just keep it wet and see if we can get it to germinate. Okay, so there it is. There's the seed just on top. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of work it in to the soil here so there's good contact with the existing soil. And then we'll cover it up a little bit more with this compost mulch mix. And then we'll give it a good watering. So that's gonna do it for that one. Like I said, we'll just make sure that that seed stays wet and moist so we can get some germination happening there, and we can see some seedlings coming up out of the ground. And make sure to just keep it wet. And if you keep it wet, then your chances of germination will increase, and you'll have grass in those bare spots and they'll fill in nice. And then hopefully in the future we don't have any more issues with our sprinklers, or in my case, I forgot to turn that zone on at one point, and for the longest time that zone wasn't getting any water, and so that's why I got that bare spot. So to see how that grass seed does, subscribe to the channel and follow along, and we'll see you in the next one.